holy peace.
Our first speaker for the day is also the youngest speaker for the program. Fatima Kodia was born on 13th March 2006. She is only 4 years and 3 months old. Presently in Junior KG, she aspires to be a dynamic teacher, inshallah. Fatima is a very bright, cheerful and a very creative child. She is focused at such a young age. She is a keen observer and a quick learner. Honesty and humbleness is an integral part of her nature. She has the art of winning the people's heart by her simplicity. Her hobbies are coloring, reading storybooks, and watching Dr. Zakir Naik's DVDs. Her ambition is to be a da'i and spread the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and bring people from darkness to light. Brothers and sisters, guess what is the greatest gift bestowed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the Muslims? What is better than the wealth and the treasure of this world? Yes, it is the gift of hidayah. Yes, it is the gift of iman. Yes, it is the gift of faith. For without knowing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator, how meaningless this life would be. But once we have this world's best treasure, it is very important to nurture it, to nourish it. Sister Fatima will show us how to save our iman. Brothers and sisters, please welcome the youngest speaker for the day, Fatima Kodia.
Hush, little baby, pure and small. He created you, he created us all. Hush, little baby, don't you fear, you're never alone.
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulullah wa ali wassabi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum naran. Rabbi shrah sadri wassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My respected elders and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu Alaikum, Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuhu. The peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. The topic of my talk is how to save Ariman. Brothers and sisters, today, before I continue, we know how important it is to save Ariman. Iman is the most valuable thing in this world and in Akhirah. In this world, Iman saves us from the evils of the societies and your own nafs. What about the Akhirah? In Akhirah, Allah is not going to check how much money you have. Allah is not going to ask you how many children you have. Allah is not going to ask you that. Allah is not going to check your degree, your diploma, whether you're a doctor, be a holder, MA, or PhD. No, He is not going to ask you anything of this. But what Allah is going to ask you is about your iman. The Prophet ﷺ said, La tadkhulul al-Jannah. None of us can enter paradise hatta tu'minu, until you have Iman. The topic is how to save our Iman. And then the Prophet continued, وَلَا تُؤْمِنُوا حَتَّى تَحَبُّوا. You will not have Iman until you love one another. Now, how do you love one another? Do you love one another? If each are brothers, if each are sisters, the Prophet ﷺ is asking the Sahaba, shall not tell of that which will to end your love between yourself. The Prophet ﷺ is asking us, do you want to know how can you strengthen your love among yourself? The Prophet ﷺ said, Afshush salam bainakum. Spread the word of peace, the greeting of Islam, every day you see. And the Muslim say, Assalamu Alaikum. It increases your Iman by going on saying these good works. Allah will strengthen your love among yourself. While you have the love to save your Iman. One of the other ways to save our Iman is by pondering over the meanings of the Quran, which Allah has revealed to explain everything, and as the light to guide the humankind. There is no doubt that it contains a most powerful and effective cure. Things and knowledge to knowledge that leads one to fear Allah and increases one's faith in Him. Is also one of the ways to save our Iman. From the other ways is doing a lot of righteous deeds and filling one's time with them. It is a part of mercy and wisdom of Allah that He has given us a variety of acts of worship to do, some of which are physical, such as Salah, the Fard, Nawafil, Sunnah, Tahajjud, and financial, such as Zakah. Some combine both physical and financial aspects, such as Umrah and Hajj. Some are spoken, such as Zikr or Dua. All these good deeds would increase our Iman and save it from destruction. Giving a smile to the one whom you meet increases your Iman. Look at your parents, your teachers, your friends. Every morning, smile at them, because smile is a sadaqah. Inshallah, you'll get all the blessings of Allah. With this, I would like to end my talk by quoting the verse of glorious Quran, which I recited in the beginning of my talk from Surah At-Tahrim, chapter number 66, verse 6. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum naran. Oh, you believe, save your soul and your family from the hellfire. Waqid dawana, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.
Jazakallah Fatima, that was amazing. May Allah help us to strive and save our Iman. Ameen.
I feel the peace